So here we are today. What are we going to do, Maxi?
Tell me.
You tell me.
Tell me.
What are we going to do? Buying a new toy?
Buying a new toy.
Oh yeah. So we're now in the store.
Yeah.
We are going to get a toy.
Yeah.
We have to find the toy area first. So we finally got to the toy area, right?
We have this.
Are we looking for a little car? I thought we were looking for something bigger, baby. Like a big toy.
Oh man. Wait, we have this.
Another car?
Yeah. Ooh.
Find it, Maxi? Which one do you want to get? This one? Show me. What is it?
Ta-da!
Whoop.
I dropped
Oh
this.
no. You want to give it to me? While you're picking up the other one?
Yeah. Buy that one.
Okay, what is it?
Buy this one.
Show us what is this. Show me the front.
This is Spider-Man!
Oh yay! Is that... Oops, sorry
Ouch.
baby. Is that so cool?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go buy it. Ah, we found it! It's yours now. Let's go.
Okay. That yours?
No, it's yours. What did you get? Show me. What is it?
Ta-da!
A Spider-Man Lego set?
Yeah.
That's so cool, baby.
Isn't it cool?
Mm-hmm. Give me a big smile. What did you got? What's that?
A set? A Spider-Man set?
Okay, do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's test that out. Wow, this is...
Is it a Spider-Man there?
Yeah. Whoa.
That's so cool.
Whoa. I'm gonna look for something. Whoa.
Who's that? Who's that guy? The green guy?
Electro, and this is Blue Red Spider-Man.
Okay. What else do you have? What else do you have in the box, Maxi? Instructions?
Yeah.
Something else? Is that box empty?
No, that's the bullet. We need a bunch of stuff out. Whoa, a big web. Ta-da!
That's a huge web. That's so cool.
I'm gonna do fight.
Show it to me. So who's that?
You tell me.
Electro?
Electro.
Oh, Electro.
Spider-Man! I'm gonna shoot you.
Put it here. Put Spider-Man here next to Electro. With his long shoe. Spider-Man.
Ah, Electro. Another one.
We are all done?
Yeah.
Let's see. Do we make the same as in the picture? Show us. What's in the bag? Can you open the door of the bag for us? Oh, wow. What's that?
Okay,
A piggy bank? Is that so cool?
I'm gonna close it.
So Spider-Man has a camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Say cheese. Cheese. I can be Spidey.
Of course. What if I want to be Spidey? Can I be Spidey?
No, you can be Lexa. I baby. I'm gonna wear you now. This dress was super fun. Bye. Thanks for watching.